Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla is likely to call an all-party meeting shortly. This comes after the government told Lok Sabha it is willing to hold a discussion on the NEET undergraduate paper leak issue. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju has said the format, duration and rules governing the debate would be decided by the Speaker after consulting floor leaders of all parties. The opposition, however, continues to insist on Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation as a precondition for letting Parliament function. Anand Singh is joining us for more on this story. Anand, we're learning Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla is likely to call an all-party meeting shortly.
Yeah, the way in which the deadlock has been continuing in the parliament for the past 3 days, we have seen multiple adjournments, and even today the house has been adjourned thrice, especially the Lok Sabha. So the way in which the deadlock has continued in the lower house, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, who had yesterday also met with leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi, along with several of the India bloc partners, including from Samajwadi Party, including from Shiv Sena, UBT, left parties, NCP, SP. Again, Om Birla is trying to persuade the opposition members that they should leave the demand of first having the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan, as government is already listening to their grievances that there should be a detailed discussion on the issue of paper leak. But the way in which the Congress party has now put forth with the demand that is the precondition ahead of the discussion that Dharmendra Pradhan must resign, he must go, as he is accountable for the death of 20 students who had committed suicide across the country due to paper leaks, the way in which the future of lakhs of students have been affected due to paper leaks. So these are the demands that the Congress party is putting, and it is also getting support from several of the opposition partners. The way in which Rahul Gandhi had yesterday staged a sit-in protest in front of Prime Minister's residence. The will of the opposition party is very clear that they won't be budging from their demand, and they first seek the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. But it will be very crucial to see that the way in which Om Birla has called for all party meeting, that will be happening in some time. So more details will be awaited, that how the Congress party or the other opposition party, they have put their demand, where several of the senior ministers